Variable frequency drive, VFD, is an electronic device that is used to control the speed and torque of an electric motor. It works on the principle of changing the frequency and voltage supplied to the motor. The VFD takes in AC power and converts it to DC power using a rectifier. The DC power is then converted back to AC power of variable frequency and voltage using an inverter. By varying the frequency and voltage supplied to the motor, the speed and torque can be adjusted to suit the requirements of the application. The VFD achieves this by controlling the output frequency of the inverter. The output frequency of the inverter is directly proportional to the speed of the motor. By increasing or decreasing the frequency of the AC power supplied to the motor, the speed of the motor can be adjusted. The VFD also provides protection to the motor by monitoring various parameters such as current, voltage, and temperature. Overall, the working principle of a VFD is based on the control of the frequency and voltage supplied to the motor, allowing for precise control of the motor's speed and torque.